What's up YouTube? It's your girl Dom back with another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy KISHU on the Uniswap exchange. We're actually going to be going through MetaMask in this video, so yeah. I know there's like a couple of different ways to buy KISHU, but the way I do it is through MetaMask and Uniswap, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm actually going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on my phone, and you guys will basically see me as I'm doing it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, I will be skipping like the first couple of beginning steps just because one, you need to already have some sort of funding in your MetaMask wallet. I already have a bunch of ETH in my wallet, so I'm not going to show you guys how to buy or sell or get your ETH onto your MetaMask wallet. But for those who are confused, wherever you would buy your ETH, that is where you would start. Let's say if you bought Ethereum on KuCoin or Coinbase, you would start there, you would buy it there, you would deposit your ETH into your MetaMask wallet, and then that's basically where I'm starting off. So you're gonna go ahead and open up your MetaMask app. And the one that I have is like a little polygon fox, and it's super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and open up that app. If you don't already, you need to set up a wallet. It's super easy. They basically ask if you want to create a new wallet, they ask for a password, and then they give you, I think, 16 different seed phrases. It's very important that you take a screenshot, write these down, have multiple copies. That way, if you ever forget your password, there is no way to recover it. Once you lose that password and you don't have the recovery seed phrases, then your wallet's gone. So it is very important that you, one, keep your password, don't forget it. Two, if you do forget it, make sure you have your list of seed words and the order that you're supposed to input them, because that is very important. So once you do that, so this is basically the beginning of our wallet. It will show your account name, it'll show your wallet address, and it doesn't matter what coin you have in this wallet, your wallet address is always going to be the same, which is pretty cool. So you guys can see here, I have some ETH, I have some HOKE, I have some KISHU, I have some SHEEP, and I have USDT. I already have a bunch of KISHU, but for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be buying a whole ETH worth again. So going on. Okay, so do you see the little three lines in the top left corner of your screen? That's going to be your menu. If you go ahead and you click your menu, it'll show you basically a breakdown of different things that you can do. You can go to a browser, you can look at your wallet, you can look at your transaction history. You can view a certain transaction on Etherscan. That's basically a live list, or a wallet that shows you everything that your specific address is doing. You have settings, you have the get help, request a feature, or you can log out. So what we're going to be doing is, Uniswap is an app, but it's not an app for your phone. It is a web-based app. So we have to access the browser through MetaMask so we can access the Uniswap platform. So it'll bring you to the swap platform. Now, as you guys can see on my screen that I have right here, I have a KISHU to USDT pair, and the reason that I do that is because the ratio from USDT to US dollars is 1:1. So in order for me to see the value of my KISHU, I have to put it against USDT. I'm not super math savvy where I can put the pair to KISHU to Ethereum, because the Ethereum to USDT, the Ethereum to USD is I don't know, a couple thousand. So I don't know how to do that math. So I basically just cheat my way through this, and I just do USDT to KISHU. That way I can see how much it's worth. As you guys can see right now, what I have in my current wallet is worth $640, and that's after transaction fees and everything, because the top says it's worth $645. But if I went ahead and I did the swap, of course that costs me some money, so after fees I'm left with estimated $640. Because I was already looking at this, I already have the KISHU and USDT pair, but you always want to make sure that what you're trying to pair or what you're trying to buy is at the bottom, and what you're trying to pair it with is at the top. So like I said, if I wanted to swap KISHU for USDT, KISHU is at the top and USDT is at the bottom. But since I'm doing ETH, I have to switch that. So what you would do is you would click, you see how they have like little arrows on the little bubbles? So you would click that and you would search what you're trying to pair it with. In this case, I'm doing Ethereum because I have a super big amount of Ethereum in my wallet. So I'm going to search for Ethereum. Now, you can see that the KISHU to Ethereum pair is going on right now. But because I'm trying to buy one whole Ethereum of KISHU, I'm going to basically erase what I have in here, and I'm going to put one because I'm buying one whole Ethereum worth of KISHU. Now, remember, you have to switch them. What I'm trying to fund the transaction with is at the top, and what I'm trying to buy is at the bottom. Does that make sense? Because I'm trying to fund the transaction with Ethereum. I'm using Ethereum to buy KISHU. So Ethereum would be at the top, KISHU is at the bottom. Once you do that, I don't want to use max because I have 3 ETH available in my wallet, but I don't want to use all of it. I'm only using 1 ETH of Ethereum. So it's very important that you double check your numbers. If you want to use the max, you can, but I'm not doing it for this video. So once you do that, you're going to head and swap, and it'll ask you like, hey, do you want to confirm this swap? It's you know, double checking before you spend some money. It also shows you the fee that you're going to pay to do this swap, the route, and about how much KISHU you will receive at the end of this transaction. Now, it is very important. Do you guys see this slippage tolerance? It's very important that you make sure that that percentage is 10. So what you would do, you would go into settings. There's a little cog in the top right corner of your bubble. You're going to click settings. You're going to click slippage, and you want to make sure you do 10%. The reason for that is, let's say you're trying to buy something, and remember, this is all live, so the price can go up super fast or the price can go down super fast. And if your slippage bracket isn't high enough, then your order won't go through because you probably like just missed that little window. Just like in my last video when I talked about limit versus market, your order wouldn't get filled if you put limit because you said don't buy or sell until the conditions are met exactly. This is kind of like the same thing. You're giving yourself like a little window of adjustment. If the price goes up or the price goes down, you can still get your order filled. So it's important. Slippage 10%. Now, you're gonna hit confirm swap, and basically it'll give you like a snapshot of the transaction, how much ETH you use, what the network fee is gonna be, the total amount, and like what you're paying. So then you would hit confirm again, and it'll say that your transaction has been submitted. Now, all you can do is wait at this point, and depending on the congestion of the network, your transaction might go through super fast or it might go super slow. It really just depends on how many people are buying and selling right now. So I just want to make sure that you have added the KISHU to your wallet, just in general. And basically this is what I'm looking at right now. So here, after I closed out, it took me to Etherscan, and like I said, this is basically like a receipt of all the transactions that you have done or are currently in progress of. So like I said, because I just did this, my transaction is pending. And this is how long it's been pending for, estimated wait time. Now you can go to gas tracker, and it'll basically will show you how high your gas fees are. So low gas fees, 95 GUI, that's about $7. The average is about 106 GUI, $8, and high is 124 GUI, which is about $10, and it pushes it through in about, give or take, 30 seconds. I don't know how accurate that is. I'm not a dev, I'm not a developer, so I don't really know. But here, it basically, when you scroll down, it'll show you like what the average person is paying for that transaction, which is why I said I don't know if it's really accurate, because low, average, and high, you're looking at $22, $25, $29. And if you scroll down, it just shows you like some other information, like other transactions that are going on right now, different wallets. Like I said, this is on the blockchain, so you can see every transaction in any wallet. Boom, transaction is done. Not too bad, not too bad at all, because last time I did this, it took me like 15 minutes to get my stuff. So now you guys can see that I have, I don't know how much that is. What is that, like 499 billion KISHU? Let KISHU go to $1. I'm just saying, I'm gonna buy me an island somewhere. Anyways, so now that my transaction has finished, I'm going to show you how you can see how much your bag is worth at the time. So like I said, I use KISHU to USDT to check the value of my purchase. So that's what we're going to do. So in the search bar, I put KISHU at the top, and then we're going to select a token. We're going to put USDT at the bottom. You're going to hit max because you want to see how much the total package is worth. Now, here it says, because Uniswap just had a update, so there's a version 2 and there's a version 3. I haven't had any liquidity or money or anything to swap with on version 3. All of my stuff is on version 2. So you'll see here it says no liquidity. Click trade with V2. Boom. And now you will see that now my entire bag of KISHU is worth $4,196. Well, before fees and before transfer fees and all that junk. Now, again, it is very important that when you go to sell your bag, you have to make sure that, well, depending on what exchange you're using, since I send it back to KuCoin, I trade back to Ethereum. So I would go KISHU up top and Ethereum at the bottom. I would swap because I'm swapping my KISHU for Ethereum, so I can send it to my KuCoin or Coinbase. Well, really I use Coinbase. Send it to my Coinbase and then deposit it into my bank when I'm done. So this is a quick video on how to buy KISHU on Uniswap using the MetaMask platform. I hope this video was very helpful and instructional. Hope it didn't bore you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, please drop them down below, and I try my best to respond. I probably get on YouTube like once a night at the end of the night, and I respond to all of my comments and everything. So let me know what you guys think. All right, peace out.